So I just cut my Pillsbury cinnamon rolls into fourths. I use 2 full packages, which gets me 5 little pieces in each of my muffin tin holes. Now I'm gonna come in with some heavy whipping cream, and we are gonna pour a little bit of this heavy whipping cream into each of these. Just about 2 teaspoons of heavy whipping cream in each one. This is such an easy and delicious breakfast. It just is the best way to eat your cinnamon rolls. So tasty and so fluffy. This heavy whipping cream is just gonna make those cinnamon rolls nice and fluffy. Woo, that looks great. Now that we have our heavy whipping cream with our cinnamon rolls, we're gonna grab 1 stick of melted butter, a 1/2 cup of brown sugar, add that right into our melted butter. Woo!
Whoa.
And then let me put this right here. We're gonna add a teaspoon of vanilla extract into this little mixture, which is just 1 lid. Beautiful. All right, we need to give this a nice mix so we get like a thick consistency. And then this is gonna go with those cinnamon rolls. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be like a sticky bun, but little miniature versions because we're doing it in the muffin tin. Now, if you don't want it to be too sweet, you could just use a biscuit dough instead of cinnamon rolls, but personally, I love the cinnamon rolls, so I had to use them. Okay, let's make sure this gets nice and thick before we put it on top of our cinnamon rolls. I think that looks just about right. I'm way too excited. Go ahead and bring this back. And then I'm gonna grab a scooper and we're just gonna scoop that mixture just like this and scoop it right on top of our cinnamon rolls, just like this. Oh my God, that looks so delicious. This is gonna be so good once we bake it. So easy. You probably already have all these things at your house already. You just need to get the cinnamon rolls. Now these are ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350 and these are gonna cook for 25 minutes. Oh my, these smell so good, you guys. All right, before we do a taste test, I'm gonna grab that frosting that comes with the cinnamon rolls and I'm gonna do a nice little drizzle on each one. This is optional. It will taste amazing even without the icing, but I figure we have it. Let's not waste it. Oh my goodness.
These look phenomenal, babe.
I'm so excited to eat one. Eee! Okay, that looks good. I did melt that for like a couple seconds in the microwave. Now it is time to pop one of these out. This is a silicone muffin tin, but I did grease it as well. And we are just going to pop it right out. Oh my God, look at that. Look how perfect that is. Our own individual little pull apart monkey bread. I'm gonna grab 2 because I'm hungry this morning. Woo. Oh my goodness. Look how decadent these look. Little pull apart monkey bread muffins. What is not to love? Okay. Go ahead. Oh, look at the inside of that. Perfectly cooked.
Ooh, they look so delicious. Are they good?
These are really good. You guys have to try them, okay?